Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. For this video, we will talk about digital literacy skills in the 21st century. And these are the types of literacy. These are usually used by students and teachers as an activity to hook the interest of the students in a new lesson. First, digital literacy means being able to understand and use technology. Digital literacy skills allow you to find, use, and create info online in a productive and useful way. Having an understanding about digital literacy means you are able to use technology safely and it helps you avoid its dangers. Digital literacy means having the skills you need to live, learn, and work in a society where communication and access to information is increasingly through digital technologies like the internet platforms, social media, and mobile devices. Media literacy involves the ability to access, analyze, evaluate, and produce both print and electronic media. Being media literate means that you can evaluate the media critically. First and foremost, media literacy helps students become wiser consumers of media as well as responsible producers of their own media. In a larger context, media literacy also fosters the skills that help people work together in collaborations because it encourages respectful discourse and builds citizenship skills. Next, arts and creativity literacy. Artistic literacy is the knowledge and understanding required to participate authentically in the arts. While individuals can learn about dance, media, music, theater, and visual arts through reading, print text, artistic literacy requires that they. This literacy can also encourage reluctant readers, build confidence, and help teach practical skills. They found it aided sustained learning as the children made strong connections between reading, writing, and their work in creative arts. Financial literacy is the ability to use knowledge and skills to manage financial resources effectively for a lifetime or financial well-being. This definition stresses the importance of ability and it speaks to knowledge, skills, and life changes. Financial literacy is important because it equips us with the knowledge and skills we need to manage money effectively. Without it, our financial decisions and action we take or don't take lack a solid foundation for success. Multicultural and global understanding, it contains students of different race, religion, and cultural groups. Students embrace diverse behavior, cultural values, pattern of practice, and communication. Yet, they all share one commonality, their educational opportunity. This literacy serves as a powerful tool in enabling students to gain a better understanding of both their own culture and the culture of others. Through this deeper knowledge, relationship can be strengthened, bridging the gap between students from diverse cultural background. Next, ICT literacy is using digital technology, communication tools, and/or network to access, manage, integrate, evaluate, and create information in order to function in a knowledge society. ICT is about critical and creative thinking, digital citizenship, and knowing how to use technology safely, responsibly, and ethically to meet our needs. Today, many students are quite comfortable with some technology and may even be more knowledgeable than their teacher in their use. Next, let's discuss the communication and collaboration. Definitely, they are different but interconnected. Communication is simply sharing or exchanging information, while collaboration is working with others collectively toward a common goal to create something or solve a problem. Collaborative communications create a more efficient and flexible working environment. Regular team meetings and group care planning sessions provide opportunities to set expectations, clarify responsibilities, learn what the other team's members are doing, and when possible, find ways to help each other. Next, identify management is the organizational process for ensuring individuals have the appropriate access to access technology resources. This includes the identifications, authentication, and authorization of a person or person to have access to applications, systems, or networks. It helps protect against security incidents by allowing administrator to automate numerous users' account-related tasks. Identity and access management standardize and even automates critical aspects of managing identities, authentication, and authorizations, saving time and money while reducing risk to the business. Learning skills is a term that describes the tasks involved in learning, including the time management, note-taking, reading effectively, study skills, and writing tests. Learning styles are descriptions on how you prefer to learn and interact with information. Learning new skills helps in your professional life a lot. It helps you to achieve your goals, give confidence, and give you motivation for working too. Practicing your existing skills and make you professional in your workplace. Not only learning new skills is necessary, but also practicing your existing skills is. Digital scholarship is the use of digital evidence, methods of inquiry, research, publications, and preservation to achieve scholarly and research goals. Digital scholarship can encompass both scholarly communication using digital media and research on digital media. It is an important aspect of digital scholarship is the effort to establish digital media and social media as credible, professional, and legitimate means of research and communication. Combined with open access, digital scholarship is offered as more affordable and open model for scholarly communication. Next, let's discuss the 21st century skills. It refers to the knowledge, life skills, career skills, habits, and traits that are critically important to student success in today's world, particularly as students move on to college, the workforce, and adult life. The term 21st century skills is generally used to refer to certain core competencies such as a collaboration, digital literacy, critical thinking, and problem solving that advocates believe educators need to teach to help students thrive in today's world. Citizenship and character defined as a learning process that enables students and adults in a school community to understand, care about, and act on core ethical values. These include respect, justice, civic virtue, and citizenship, and responsibility for self and others. It is important for developing a strong moral code in individuals, but it's also important for creating a safe, supportive society while protecting democracy according to young citizens. Next, the 8 essential digital literacy skills that students need. First is coding. Is the process of creating instructions for computer using programming languages. Computer code is used to program the websites, apps, and other technologies we interact with every day. Understanding computers and learning the basic of coding help children to develop an appreciation of how things work. It is also teach them how to software engineer use math in order to solve problems in a logical and creative way. This is one of the big reasons why coding is important to learn. Next, collaboration skills, also called collaborative skills, are the skills working collaboratively instead of individually, help improve productivity, and gives employee a sense of purpose in the organization. It also becomes easier to brainstorm ideas to solve an existing problem or deliver the required work on time. Cloud software means storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of your computer hard drive. It allows user access to software applications that run on shared computing resources, for example, processing power, memory, and disk storage via the internet. Cloud computing not only changes how so many businesses store and access data, but it is also changing how many of these businesses operate. Cloud computing is so important because it offers flexibility, data recovery, little to no maintenance, easy access, and a higher level of security. Word processor, a computer program used to write and revise documents, compose the layout of the text, and preview on a computer monitor how the printed copy will appear. Word processor contains software to automatically correct common errors and identify misspelling, improving overall speed and reducing errors. They also make it easier to create and organize new files as well as retrieve and manipulate existing ones. A screencast is a digital video recording of your computer screen and usually includes audio narration. Not unlike a screenshot, screencast can be called a screen capture video or screen recording and is a great way to teach or share ideas. Screencasting not only saves you time answering the same question over and over, but it has been proven that 80% of viewers can recall a video that they have seen in the past 30 days. Not unlike a screenshot, screencast can be called a screen capture video or screen recording and is a great way to teach or share ideas. Next, personal archiving is a branch of archival science and geology focusing on the capture and preservation of an individual personal papers and other documentary output, generally by the individuals concerned. Personal archive will also make it easier for individuals to maintain control over their personal digital files and make well-informed decisions about how their files are used in daily life, and to plan for the preservation or disposition of digital files after their death. Evaluating information is to judge the quality of an idea, an object, or a person. Because of these ties between evaluation and critical thinking, much theory and research about critical thinking inform an understanding of evaluation. Evaluating information encourages you to think critically about the validity, accuracy, authority, timeliness, point of view, or bias of information source. Next is social media savvy. You engage regularly, you know how to use the platforms correctly, and you know there's real value in being there in reality. There's no real cut and dry or objective way to assess your success. Being media savvy is an important skill to develop in these circumstances because it will help you understand the motivation behind those messages and how they are affecting in you.
Nope.